I've lost over 80 pounds eating delicious low-carb, sugar-free desserts like this. Today, let me show you how to make this delicious low-carb pumpkin cheesecake that's ready in less than 5 minutes. So this first step is absolutely unnecessary, but it makes the pumpkin cheesecake just that much better. I'm gonna make a faux graham cracker crust. So I've got 1 tablespoon of butter that's melted in this ramekin. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar substitute. I'm using Boca Sweet. And you can just mix these together, but I'm gonna take it one extra step, and I've got this graham cracker flavoring that I got from Amazon, which is sugar-free. I'm just gonna add a couple of drops. And you just wanna mix until everything's combined. It has this sort of sand-like graham cracker crust type texture. And just press into the bottom of the ramekins. Now the crust is done, so we're gonna set these aside while we make the pumpkin cheesecake filling. I've got 6 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. You wanna make sure you're not using pumpkin pie filling because that's got a lot of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener. I'm using allulose. Allulose is one of my favorite sugar substitutes when it comes to baking. It tastes just like sugar, it doesn't have any aftertaste, and it bakes up perfectly. And 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. This is a combination of cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. It gives our cheesecake that classic pumpkin spice flavor. And mix together. I'm using one of these push whisks, but you can definitely use a hand mixer. If I was making a bigger portion, I would likely use a hand mixer, but because this is just 2 servings, I'm using the push whisk. And now I'm gonna pour my pumpkin cheesecake batter on top of my crust. I'm gonna pop my sugar-free individual pumpkin cheesecakes in the microwave at 50% power for about 4 minutes. I whipped up some homemade sugar-free whipped cream. You can also use sugar-free Ready Whip, and I'm gonna put that on top. A nice dollop. And there you have it, a delicious low-carb, low-sugar pumpkin cheesecake that's the perfect fall dessert. So good.